How I came to find out that I have APBD was after a long series of things. I ultimately ended up at the Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota, with a neurologist who my sister had seen. My sister has APBD, my older sister, and so as sorry as I am for that, I was very grateful to know that I was able to go someplace that was able to diagnose what I had going on. So I went to the neurologist at Mayo Clinic. That is how I ultimately found out that I have it. Well, the experience of finding out that what I had actually had a name was very comforting, because I had gone to many different places trying to find out why I was having odd symptoms in my body. I was having dizziness, I was having memory problems, I was having bladder issues, I was just not feeling well, a lot of nervousness in the body, but it was very scary. It's scary when you just don't know what's going on. So finding out that I had something that had a name was reassuring. It was, of course, frightening at the same time, wondering about, future things, but at least I felt like I had, sort of a direction to go in.